Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a huge, or you can say a jumbo hard paper squishy. It is like really easy to make. So if you want to see how to make one of these, let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, take a white paper and make a heart shape for the cake base. After that, you are going to make the design, which is the main part of the squishy. So I am going for a kawaii type of vibe, so that's why I'm making a cute design. You can do it any way you like. So my design right now looks like that. And now I'm going to make some cute little strawberries so that it look very cute. And in the middle I'm making a bow. You can do anything you want in the middle. Now it's time for coloring. I have a lot of markers, so I'm gonna swatch all of them and see which shade I want. So at the end, I have decided 5 of the colors which I like to be on my squishy. So for the bow, I'm doing a pink type of thing so that it looks more cute. For the strawberries, I'm getting a really dark shade of red. So you are going to outline it with this shade, a really dark shade. And then you are going to make some dots so that it looks more realistic, and take a lighter shade of red and color in. So look how cool it looks right now. So I will continue coloring. And now I laminate it with tape, and take a white piece of paper and put it at the back, and also laminate it and cut it out. Next, you are going to take a white piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you are going to make the design and cut it out. Next, you are going to color in your design. And now do the other side as well, and then laminate it with tape. And now take a small piece of tape and attach them together. And now this part can be tricky. Take a small piece of tape and make some small cuts. Now take the stripe and fold the small cuts on it and follow the steps. Now do the back side as well and leave a hole at the end so that you can stuff it. I'm using cotton for stuffing. You can use plastic bags if you don't have cotton. And I want it to be really squishy, so I take a marker and push the cotton in so that I can fill more, and fill as much as you can so that your squishy can be really squishy like mine. And now close it up with tape. And your paper squishy is done. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.